But I was very happy to come to the Best Stay again, and this is my second year here, and our moderator Roxanne is for the third time here, and I love it, and it's like coming back to a family. And when I saw Roxana opening up the event, the conference this morning, I could tell that she felt at home and that she was comfortable, and that radiates towards the audience. So the audience feels at home. It's like one big family. During a break, people leave their bags and their laptops on their seats because it's safe. We're in a big family here, and I love the Best Stay, and especially because it's such a high level, not only in content on the stage, in beautiful panels, for instance, and good keynotes, but also in the audience. People know what they're here for. They're not just sent by their boss to go and attend that event, but they're here because they want to, and they want to get something out of it. And that takes it to another level.